Hey, this is Mark at Outsider. Got myself a new fishing kayak. Not new to the fishing kayaking, maybe talk about that in a little bit. Had it a little over a week, so still getting used to it. It's a very dull day at big Heffley Lake, just outside Kamloops. But I'll show you how I've started rigging it out. So it's the Cuda 14 by Jackson Kayak. I've done very little to it apart from installing the anchor trolley, just with a bit of silent traction behind it. I got the ruddered version. This is new to me. I have, excuse the dodgy camera work, I have never really used the rudder before. Still far from used to it, but hopefully on big waters like this it'll come into its own. There is one hatch there. I've just chucked my gear on so far. Like I say, I'm not used to the storage configuration. There's the seat. Incredibly comfortable, way comfortable than what I'm used to. 2 stages, can be raised higher up. At the moment, not so sure about that for me. It feels a little unstable in such a high seating position. Time will tell. I need to get on the boat when it's less cold. You'll probably be able to see there's still some ice around the edges. It's been iced off probably only around a week, so now's not the time to go for a swim. But when the water warms up, I'm hopefully going to spend a little time trying to tip it up, actually tipping it up, doing self-rescues and seeing how far I can push it. The anchor, water bottle that comes with it. I'm only set up for fly fishing today. An intermediate with a leech and a floating line with a chironomid and under a sight bob or a buzzer if you're from England. There's a centre hatch which goes right into the hull of the kayak. I will be getting one of the trays that sits in there, so I've got better storage. I'm still not sold on the storage on this. I think I've got a lot of work to do. I'll just move this pad up, see things better. So going round again, apologies for the dodgy camera work. There's the fly rod in the fly rod stager, going right through, and the tips in the tip protector. Another hatch up front, the other rod stagers right under my net there, and the only other thing I've done to it is I put that rod rest, the ram that it actually comes with, on that top. So yeah, I'll take it on the water and see if that is of any use to you guys. Thanks.